looking at products as the overall offering, as a whole experience, not just the actual box itself.
All of us, material providers, technology providers, manufacturers, have to work together.
To me, gone are the days when the supply chain can be involved after the fact. They have to be involved upfront in the solutions design. Partnering with strategic EMS providers like Flex, for example, is critical to have early involvement.
It's amazing to see a company like Flex build something that enables my innovation team to build a rapid prototype instead of building just the final solution.
If we can reduce time to market, if we can reduce the cost by having standardized pieces, we can now get very advanced functionality, really rich experiences out in much less time and help manufacturers really focus on their brand, focus on their differentiation.
Now we can spend more time focusing on clinical outcomes for consumers, effectiveness for consumers, and really benefit for consumers versus worrying about, will this all fit in a package?